Hey y'all, and happy Monday! This week's graphic novel is Sheets by Brenna Thumler. This story is about, first, Marjorie. She's a 13-year-old dealing with a number of different struggles, from bullies at school to coping with the recent loss of her mother, all while basically running the family laundry business on her own and caring for her younger brother. And the other main character is Wendell. He is a ghost who is recently processing his own untimely demise and ends up on kind of a little adventure to the forbidden human world, and that is where his and Marjorie's stories intertwine. There's quite a number of things going on in this story, such as, I guess, the ultimate processing of grief, taking on major responsibilities at a young age. There's a plot line with this shady guy in town who's trying to take over the laundry business so he can own the property to make his own luxury spa and everything, as well as the whole ghost world, where the ghosts, the spirits, wear sheets so that they can have sort of a physical form and be seen. So hence the title, with the laundry business and the ghosts wearing sheets, like the old school kind of what you would think of or draw as a ghost. That's what they look like in this book. Overall, it's a quick-paced story with a number of pages and panels having no dialogue at all, and the action story being only conveyed through the pictures. So if you like that in your graphic novels, then you might want to check this out. It also does tackle the more serious topics, such as grief. Marjorie's dad is clearly going through a depressive state because of the loss of his wife. There's the bullying, there's a bunch of stressors, but ultimately it's a lightish story, and I don't want to spoil anything, but it doesn't have a doom and gloom ending. The things work out all right. So if you kind of want to read that, especially if you're finally getting into the fall mode, you want to grab a warm blanket and a mug of hot cider and read a non-scary ghost story, then I recommend you check out Sheets. Anywho, that's it for this week. Stay tuned for Teen Book Tuesday tomorrow, and have a cozy rest of your week. Bye-bye!